How to make a pizza base for just 7p or 8 cents. The ingredients are 500 grams of plain flour, a teaspoon of yeast and 600 millilitres of water. This is the mixture I prepared earlier. Simply mix the ingredients together with a wooden spoon until it's a smooth mix like it is now. There's no need to knead the dough at this stage. Then leave it to rise for about 20 minutes. You'll see carbon dioxide bubbles in the dough. So you know the yeast is doing its job of raising the dough and making the pizza base lighter than it would otherwise be. Then prepare your work surface by cleaning it, and don't forget to wash your hands. Then, using lots of flour from the bag, make a dusty surface so that your dough does not stick to the surface, and use a rolling pin to help you get the desired shape you want. As you can see here. Cut the dough into smaller pieces. There's enough for 3 pizza bases here, so you'll need to repeat the action 3 times. This bag of flour costs about 40p. So by cutting it into 6 pizza bases, it'll cost you about 7p or 8 cents for a pizza base. So it's a lot cheaper than the supermarkets. You will add plenty more flour to the mix as you knead the dough, so it becomes thicker, but at the same time it becomes easier to handle as the outside becomes a little bit drier. Don't forget to sprinkle flour on the rolling pin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and put the bases in for about 20 minutes. This means that the bases are not burned, and you can add the tomato paste and cheese and other ingredients without burning them to cook the base for a further 10 minutes more. Please check out my other videos at Mr. Toad, including the world's sickest game.